Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel WordPress Builder. I am Mohammed Omar with you. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can create this type of beautiful effect. When you hover, images are flying away. So let's start the video. So at first you go to Elementor. Now click on Elementor and click on Features and set it default to active flag box. Now click on Save Changes. So I delete this section. So at first, now click on this add new section and click on one column. Now set it pH and minimum height 100 pH. Now click on style, click on background type and set the color pure black. Now click on this cubic menu and search here HTML widget and drag and drop it here. Now it's time to use some custom code. Don't worry, I share all the custom code into my Google Drive. You just click on and download it to your own website. So I copy this code and paste it here. Now click on this advanced option and click on this custom CSS code. Again go to Notepad and copy rest of the code and paste it here. Now click on this main section, click on layout and set the layout justify content center and align item center. Now when you hover, it's beautiful effect and images are all flying away. Now click on this update. Now click on preview. Now hover. Let's check out responsive mode and click on this responsive mode. Click on tablet view. Tablet view also okay. Now click on this mobile view. Now again hover. Mobile view also okay. So let's talk about custom CSS code. Now click on this advanced and click on this custom CSS code. Click on this options and click on advanced and click on custom CSS code. This is tablet responsive code and this is mobile responsive code. And this is image wide. When you set it like 600, images are more bigger. So I remain same 500. So if you want to change this image, how you can change? You just click on this media. Now go to your media gallery and click on this image and copy this URL. Now again go to this tab and paste it here. Now image also change. Click on this update. Click on preview. So thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please drop a comment in comment section.